Is my garage door covered under my homeowner's insurance? This is a great question, and we're going to answer it in detail right now. So the answer is, like a lot of these videos, I'm sorry guys, but the answer is it depends. There's a number of different factors that we need to discuss when we're talking about if your garage door is going to be covered under your homeowner's insurance. And what I mean by that is it depends on what happened to the garage door and how it happened. So let's take the obvious one that probably led you here to this search. Let's just say the motor or the spring goes out on your garage door. It no longer opens for whatever reason. There's a mechanical issue. That is most likely not going to be covered under your homeowner's insurance policy. Remember, home insurance and insurance in general covers things that are sudden and accidental. Things like mechanical breakdown or normal wear and tear, or just general maintenance, normal maintenance things that you should do, most of the time are not going to be covered under your homeowner's policy. And in this case, the motor going out just because it's old or the spring going out just because it's old and breaking is not going to be covered. However, it's important to point out that many homeowners' policies have an endorsement. It doesn't come automatically, but it's an endorsement that you can add on to the homeowner's policy. A lot of times it's called mechanical breakdown, and it's for things like that, like your pool pump, like your refrigerator going out, like your air conditioning going out, like your garage door motor going out. Again, it doesn't come automatically, but many homeowners companies have the option of adding it. So if that's something that concerns you or worries you, call your homeowner's insurance company and ask them if that's an endorsement you can add on. But it for sure is not something that's going to come automatically on your homeowner's insurance policy. Now let's talk about something that may not be as obvious or we may not think about right away, but let's just talk about damage to your garage door. A hailstorm comes through and there's hail coming sideways and it dents up the garage door. That, under most cases, yes, is going to be covered. Let's say you are doing something with some heavy machinery or tools and you accidentally hit your garage door and it's broken. Yes, under most cases, that would be covered. Let's say you drive your vehicle through your garage door and ruin your garage door. In most cases, yes, that would be covered as well. However, it's important to remember, we always talk about this, what your deductible is. If your deductible is $1,000 and the damage is $500, in that case, even though technically, yes, it is covered, it's not smart to file a claim because your deductible is greater than the damage. Even if the damage is only a couple $100s more than your deductible, or then even if the damage is a couple $100s more than the deductible, it's still not worth it to file the claim, get a couple $100s from the insurance company, and then have your premium go up for the next 3 to 5 years. Because with all claims on your home, whether or not it was your fault, more than likely it's going to affect your premiums. So always be aware of that before you call and file a claim with your insurance company. You want to make sure that it's worth it and that your deductible is not greater than the damage. I hope that answers your questions. If you have more questions, please post them below. I'm more than happy to answer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.